Hello friends, today we are going to make a dish which can be used as a breakfast. This is called Sago Khichdi. Soak sago in water for about an hour till it becomes slightly soft. Take 2 onions, cut them fine. All you need for this Sago Khichdi is onions, coriander leaves, 1 green chilli and some peanut powder. Peanuts can be roasted, dry, and add a few red chilies to it and salt, and you can make it into a coarse powder and keep it. This peanut powder can be used in curries, it can be used for chutneys and in various ways. Now we have cut the onions fine, and I have washed and kept some coriander leaves aside. I'm cutting the green chilli. Now we have the onions, coriander leaves and green chilies ready. Now keep the kadai on the stove, and once it's a little heated, add some oil to it. It can be about 4 teaspoons of oil. Allow the oil to get heated. Now add some mustard seeds, some jeera, about half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of jeera, about 1 teaspoon of urad dal, and stir it a little. Till the mustard seeds start spluttering. Here the jeera should not turn black, and neither should the urad dal. So now add the green chilies. And the curry leaves. And the onions. Allow the onions to fry on a slow flame. Now you can see that the onions are fairly cooked well, and slowly the oil is leaving its sides. Now we have to remove water from the soaked sago, from the soaked sabudana, and add it to the kadai. Now stir well. If there's any water left, let it evaporate. The most important thing, don't forget, add about 1 teaspoon of salt, because in the sago you can't eat too much of salt. You can't add too much of salt. Keep stirring on a slow flame for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now cover it with a lid and keep it for about 2 minutes on a slow flame till the sago cooks well and mixes with all the ingredients. Now remove the lid, stir the sabudana well. Some sabudana don't cook instantly, then you have to keep it for a little longer while, closed. Now the sabudana is well cooked, and now we come to the most important part, which is going to add flavor and taste to this whole khichdi. Now you can switch off the stove and then add a generous amount of peanut powder. Peanut powder can be crushed coarsely with red chilies, roasted peanut and red chili, and a little salt. You can just grind it coarsely, the mixie, and keep it. This can be added to sabudana. It can be used in several recipes also. The peanut powder separates the sago also, and that does not allow it to stick to each other. See how beautiful it looks, like small white beads. This is usually eaten on days when you fast, and it is very good for health. Sago is very good for health. It has a very cooling effect on the body. Now our Sabudhana Khichdi is ready to eat. If you like our videos and channel, please like and subscribe.